Well, good afternoon. We're looking outside right now in Grand Forks. A very different picture than how it's been looking since this morning, even in Grand Forks. But in Fargo, it's still very gray and gloomy. We have some areas where rain is falling. But at our view at Home of Economy, you see we've got some blue sky up there and some sunshine peeking through. So not everybody is experiencing the rain right now. And gradually through the afternoon, more and more of us will have a view like this rather than that rainy view that a lot of us have been seeing since this morning. So here's a look at our radar and satellite map view. You can see that there are areas where we've got some rain, some down into northeastern South Dakota, one little area there, and then another band that stretches from Bemidji back through places like Mahnomen, back over into Hillsboro and the Tower City area, and then down toward Ellendale and the Lemoore area. So that's where that rain happens to be right now. This is all part of a big low pressure system that's been moving through the heart of that low, the center of that low, moving off to our east now. And that means a couple of things for us. As that moves eastward, we're looking at less moisture getting into the system, and we're ending up with some drying conditions here. We're also going to see that wind turn northwesterly because we know that that air spins counterclockwise around low pressure systems. So when it moves east, it'll be coming in out of the north. It's going to prevent our temperatures from rising as much with some cooler air moving in. And just in general, we will be quieting things down. This low is going to be moving on, but not before kicking up those gusts for us. And right now we do have a gust in Jamestown to 30 miles per hour right now out of the north again. Oaks at 18 miles per hour. Still looking at some easterly winds in the east, very light, but again, we'll see that wind field take over for the rest of us and get more breezy heading into the afternoon. Our temperatures are in the 50s. It's 54 in Fargo. It is 54 in Grand Forks, 149 in Bemidji, and 148 over in Harvey on either side of the valley. But most of us in the 50s, and we'll generally stay there through the rest of the day today. A couple of spots that see some sun, may get to around 60 degrees, but overall not a warm day. This is actually right around average for this time of year. It's just that yesterday was so nice. We got to 70 in Fargo and several other spots. That won't be the case today. So with that, we're going to see those showers continue to depart to the east. Doesn't mean we're completely done with the rain chance. There's still a possibility some of these clouds may produce a sprinkle or a light shower or two. You see that around 6 o'clock tonight. And into the evening hours, we've got some more areas where we start to clear out a little bit more. The wind will ease up into the overnight, and heading into tomorrow morning, you can see I can't rule out a little bit of unsettled weather heading into your Thursday. So just keep that in mind that, you know, we're looking at more sunshine, quieter weather for tomorrow, but you can see a couple of areas where we might have a quick little passing light shower. Into the afternoon, temperatures will be recovering. We're looking at some 50s to the east, getting into some 60s in other places here heading into your Thursday. And then Thursday night, nice and dry and quiet. And that sets us up for a pleasant day on Friday. So just getting through the day today. And once that's done, we will end up with some pretty nice weather to round out the work week into those 60s heading into Thursday and Friday. And again, this weekend's looking pretty nice too. Now, next week, Monday starts off okay, but it's going to get more active through the week. We could see a couple of systems moving through. Models toward the end of the week are hinting at a stronger storm system somewhere in the region. That would bring us wind and rain and potentially, if it's cold enough, a changeover to the potential for snow. I hate to say it, but it is a possibility. It's way off in the future, could change, and oftentimes it does that far out, but it is something we're watching, and stay tuned. We'll keep you up to date.
Yeah, but the rain, wind, cool temperatures, they're here now.
Well, it's to be expected. We're in that second half of October. It often seems like, you know, you're getting into that Halloween time frame, and we see kind of wild weather at that time.
Yep, Lisa, thank you so